Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to expose myself today and show you guys how I pack my orders and what I use. So right here, I have this lovely dress. It's actually the Ivana dress on the sides. That's inside this frosted zip bag. I do love these bags. They're very secure. They don't rip and they secure all the clothes when it's traveling. And then I'm always using my packing cards. I get those made at Office Depot. I just do the design myself on Canva. And then I have my packing slip right here, which I just use regular pink paper from Office Depot and I just print it out on my printer. These are my Polymailer bags that's also branded, and I'll share my vendor below. And after I do that, I get my thermal sticker, my shipping label. I use a Rollo for my thermal stickers. So in the meantime, guys, I want y'all to go ahead and follow and subscribe. Now, right here, this is my hang tags. I actually tag my own clothes. And these are actually business cards. I get these made from Office Depot, and I just punch my hole in it. So you got to be creative when you don't have the necessarily tools to get it done as a hang tag or whatever. So right here, I'm putting it back into the poly mailer bags that I mentioned earlier. I will list the vendor below. And right here, the packing card that I told you about, this goes with every order. And then I have the packing slip invoice paper. This is something that I make sure all the customers have so they can know what they have and what they got. It also helps with them knowing what they have. There you go, the sticker. And we are off to the post office.